Hello students, welcome to Zoology online class. Last class we have discussed about hard data. Have you remember students? So in that we have studied 3 classes. So what are they? The first one Cyclostomata, second one Fishes, third one Amphibia. Today we are going to see the remaining 3 classes. They are Reptilia, Aves, Mammalia. The first one is Reptilia. They are crawling animals. Okay. So these vertebrates are fully adapted to life on land. Their body is covered with corny epidermal scales. That means dry scales. Okay. Respiration is through lungs. The heart is 3-chambered except crocodiles because they have 4-chamber heart. Crocodiles lives in water. Most of the reptiles lay their eggs with tough outer shell. Example, calotes, lizard, snake, tortoise, turtle. Clear? Which has 4-chamber heart? Crocodile. Okay. Remaining reptiles have 3-chamber heart. Next class. Aves. They are birds. Birds are homeothermic animals. That means the body temperature is constant. Warm-blooded animals. Okay. Lives on land with several adaptations to flying. The spintle or boat-shaped body is divisible into head, neck, trunk and tail. Clear? So the body is divisible into head, neck, trunk and tail. The body is covered with feathers. 4 limbs are modified into wings for flight. Clear? So the 4 limbs are modified into wings for flight. Hind limbs are adapted for walking, perching or swimming. Okay. So 4 limbs are modified into wings for flight. Hind limbs are adapted for walking, perching or swimming. The respiration is through lungs which have air sac. Bones are filled with air which reduces the body weight. They lay large yolk-laden eggs. They are covered by hard calcareous cell. Okay. Example, parrot, crow, eagle, pigeon, ostrich. Clear students? What are the adaptations? 4 limbs are modified into wings for flight. Hind limbs are adapted for walking, perching or swimming. Bones are filled with air. Why the bones are filled with air? Because they have to fly, so it reduces the body weight. Okay. They lay large yolk-laden eggs. They are covered by hard calcareous cell. Clear students? Third class Mammalia. That means mammary glands are present. Okay. Mammals are warm-blooded animals. The skin is covered with hairs. It also bears sweat and sebaceous glands. The sweat glands produce soot. Sebaceous glands secrete oil. The body is divisible into head, neck, trunk and tail. Females have mammary glands which secrete milk for feeding the young ones. The external ear or pinnae is present. Heart is 4-chambered and they breathe through lungs. Except egg-laying mammals, all other mammals give birth to their young ones. That means two types of mammals. Some of them are egg layers and some of them are giving birth to young ones. Those animals lay eggs, they are called as oviparous. And those animals give birth to their young ones, they are called as viviparous. Clear students? So oviparous, egg layers, example platypus and spiny anteater. Okay. Viviparous, example rat, rabbit, man. Okay. Then the special character placenta is the unique characteristic feature of mammals. So placenta means it is a connecting between mother and child. Through this placenta, the food, nutrients enter into the child from mother to child. Clear students? So once again, class Mammalia. So the special character is mammary glands are present. They are warm-blooded animals. Body is covered with hairs. They have sweat glands and sebaceous glands. Body is divisible into head, neck, trunk and tail. The external ear or pinnae is present. Heart is four-chambered. Respiratory organ is lungs. There are two types of mammals, egg layers as well as give birth to their young ones. Egg layers are called oviparous and give birth to their young ones are called viviparous. Okay. Egg layers example platypus. Viviparous example rat, man. Clear? So connecting link between mother and child is placenta. So I hope you all understood. Now we can mark the questions. Clear students? Now take your book. Turn page number 208. Page number 208. Roman letter 1. Choose the correct answer. Roman letter 1. Choose the correct answer. First one. Find the group having only marine members. Answer. Option C. Option C. Echinodermata. Second one. Mesoglea is present in Coelenterata. Option B. Coelenterata. Third one. Which one of the following pairs is not a parclothermic animal? Option C. Aves and mammals. Aves and mammals. Fourth one. Identify the animal having four-chamber heart. Option C. Crocodile. Fifth one. The animal without skull is. Option A. Acrania. Sixth one. Hermaphrodite organisms are. Option B. Hydra, tapeworm, earthworm, ascidian. Hydra, tapeworm, earthworm, ascidian. Seventh question. Parclothermic organisms are. Option C. Fish, frog, lizard, snake. Eighth one. Air sac and pneumatic bones are seen in. Option C. Bird. Ninth one. Excretory organ of tapeworm is. Option A. Plain cells. Tenth one. Water vascular system is found in. Option C. Starfish. Clear? Next, Roman letter 2. Fill in the blanks. The skeletal framework of Porifera is dash, spicules. Second one. Cnidia are respiratory organs in dash. Mollusca. Question number 3. Skates are dash fishes. Cartilaginous fishes. 4. The larva of an amphibian is dash. Tadpole. 5. Dash are jawless vertebrates. Cyclostomes. Cyclostomes are jawless vertebrates. 6th one. Dash is the unique characteristic feature of mammal. Placenta. 7th one. Spiny anteater is an example for dash mammal. Egg-laying mammal. Bracket inside, write it. Oviparous. Next, Roman letter 3. State whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. First one. Canal system is seen in coelentrates. Answer, false. Canal system is seen in Porifera. Coelentrates, strike out and write it. Porifera. Second one. Hermaphrodite animals have both male and female sex organs. Answer, true. Third question. Trachea are the respiratory organ of Annelida. Answer, false. Annelida, strike out and write it. Arthropoda. Fourth one. Biphonaria is the larva of mollusca. Answer, false. Mollusca, strike out, write it. Echinodermata. So, Biphonaria is the larva of Echinodermata. Fifth one. Balanoclastus is a ciliary feeder. Answer, true. Sixth one. Fishes have two-chamber heart. Answer, true. Seventh one. Skin of reptilians are smooth and moist. Answer, false. Reptilians, you strike out and write it. Amphibians. Skin of amphibians are smooth and moist. Written. Question number 8. Wings of birds are the modified forelimbs. Answer, true. Ninth one. Female mammals have mammary glands. Answer, true. Next, Roman letter 4. Match the following. Phylum, examples. A. Coelentrata. Answer, Hydra. B. Platyhelminthes. Answer, tapeworm. C. Echinodermata. Answer, starfish. D. Mollusca. Answer, snail. Clear? Next, Roman letter 5. Already we have completed. Now we can go through Roman letter 6. Question number 4. Roman letter 6. Question number 4. Answer, turn page number 205. Page number 205. The fishes paragraph. Class fishes. Till ventricle. Heart is two-chambered with an auricle and a ventricle. Listen. Fishes are fachlothermic aquatic vertebrates with jaws. The streamlined body is divisible into head, trunk and tail. Locomotion is by pad and median pins. Their body is covered with scales. Respiration is through gills. The heart is two-chambered with an auricle and a ventricle. Till there, mark it. Next question. Question number 6. Roman letter 6. Question number 6. How are the limbs of the birds adapted for avian life? Answer. Turn page number 206. Page number 206. Aves paragraph sing. 5th line. Aves paragraph 5th line. 4 limbs are modified into wings for flight. Hind limbs are adapted for walking, perching or swimming. The respiration is through lungs which have air sacs. Bones are filled with air which reduces the body weight. Till there you mark it. Clear students?